Warning, the following video contains scenes of Jim Kincaid singing. Do not watch this vlog. It is actually the worst vlog ever. Click away. You have been warned. Checker pieces?
Yeah.
You can make a frame.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a frame and checker pieces.
Oh, looks nice. Oh, check it out, wash. Alright, see you at 11. Alright, my boys are loving their woodworking class, and I'm loving that they're loving it. They're making a checkerboard, so can't wait to play it when it's all done. You know, I got a lot of work to do on all my watch videos, but gotta kind of, you know, I have to hit pause on it today because the old Ford F-150 is living up to its fix or repair daily. It says service engine soon, it's running rough. Those of you who know that this is a spark plug issue on the 5.4 liter Ford engine. So we're talking about, you know, replacing the spark plugs, or the boots, or the coils, or all of them, or everything. You know how it is. I mean, I'm gonna have to pop open the hood just to check that a spark plug hasn't blown out of the engine, as they are wanted to do. Try and take care of that while the boys are at their woodworking class. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, take a quick look at the 5.4 liter Ford engine. Tell me if you see anything wrong, what you think I should fix. If you have any idea what spark plug is bad, leave your answer in the comments below. But hurry up, because I don't have a lot of time. I gotta get this done today, so just drop your answer in the comments below, and hopefully by the end of this vlog we'll have it all figured out. Done. You know what's wrong? What's wrong with it?
I don't know.
Can you fix it?
No.
Who's winning?
No,
How do you tell whose piece is whose?
you can't. You're just killing all of them.
Just
Whoever
kill
has
them?
the most. Ryan, you can't do that. Just like
Did you make the frame?
Ryan did. I made the checkers.
Okay. You guys are on the joint. Remember, it's called a rabbit joint or a style.
No, you can't do that.
I got 12.
Do you have to glue it today? Oh, okay, on the sled. So you're gonna smooth them over?
Yeah.
That is a router.
Use this for down here.
Measure once, cut twice. What's this, the non-friend bopper 5000? Alright Brian, put your G-Shock there. Still working. Alright, Brian plugged that in. And P0316. We just bought this brand new code reader. $38 at AutoZone. Alright boys, do you know off the top of your head what P0316 is?
It's a letter, number, and
A letter number and a letter. Okay. Alright guys, I'm out here changing some spark plugs with the old Mudman And I gotta tell you that the size is a good balance of toughness and being able to fit in tight spots to work on an engine. It's not too big, but it's big enough that it's very rugged. I'd say it's like Goldilocks, just the right size, but a really tough Goldilocks. Like, I don't know, what should we call them? Goldilocks, I guess. While I'm doing this vlog, I just looked at the dashboard of my YouTube channel, and the disc track I made is taken off right now. The one where the soy boy said to take off my watch if I'm going to be exposed to petroleum products. So, as many of you saw in yesterday's vlog, my wife is a musician, right? So I'm actually working on a more powerful disc track. And, alright, D, hit it. Thank you for being my watch. Even though I abuse you lots, your time is true because you have multi-band. And if I dunked you in chemicals... Of course, I'm not even wearing this watch. I'm wearing the GBDH 2000 because it's my days off.
Got my baby G.
By the way, has the baby G scratched up the soundboard or
No,
anything?
I don't play with my wrist.
Well, I do. You want to see me play?
We scratched up this, the fingerboard.
My watch.
Oh yeah, Ryan has a G-Shock. Thank you for being my watch.
I don't have a watch.
Even though I abuse... Oh, you need one. Alright, I'm gonna go get the Mudmaster so that we can sing to it. Hold on. Alright.
Being my watch.
Yeah, okay, I got the Mudman on. The song is being sung to the Mudman, by the way. Alright. No, you gotta sing like that chick from Jefferson Starship, okay?
Alright. Thank you for being my watch.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, ready? Thank you for being my watch. Even though I abuse you lots, your time is true because you have multi-band. If I dunked you in chemicals, everything except gasoline, you would hear a bunch of soy boys scream. I would turn to them and say, Diesel just keeps this watch clean. I couldn't hear you. Do you know the lyrics yet?
No.
Okay. Alright, well, there you go. Obviously, we need like keyboards and trumpets, guitars.
Full orchestration.
We have a trumpet.
I can play the flute, Jimmy.
There is a flute in the song. So we'll combine it with footage of like us goofing off. You gotta do it for the TikTok nowadays, you know? Oh yeah, one of those little leprechaun flutes. There you go. All right. This is this song's gonna be like the best TikTok ever, but we're still working on it.
Give me it. Give me it.
All right, don't fight over the leprechaun flute.